So, over in Australia, they tried something really interesting with sustainable farming. They wanted to mix farm animals and solar panels and see how it would do, see if one would interfere with the other. I can tell you from working with dairy, cows, sheep, goats, maybe not sheep so much, but animals destroy frickin' everything, particularly cows. Anyways, they tried it out. They put a whole bunch of solar panels up at a particular place, and they sent in the sheep. They were wondering if maybe the sheep would take care of the lawn so that nothing would grow too high. And they found out that the sheep actually gave better wool in these areas when they were raised in the areas, and they believe it's because of the shade that the solar panels managed to provide. Now, with this shade, you also get extra moisture, and with that moisture, you get more foliage for the sheep to eat. Oh, I just looked at my charge controller. I'm down to 12.3. Anyways, I also did just look it up, and it sounds like it's not too abnormal for sheep to be less destructive as long as you keep the rams out of it. Anyways, in here, we can see I got my Varus coin. I'm mining that right now. I got. Oh, geez, I should turn these ladies on. It's interesting. I'm just bringing all my laptops out to mine as best as I can. This is the grandma house where we save everything from our late grandmother and also hide our tools, sometimes our paraphernalia. I just shut down the old server off in the back. It was a Barracuda server once upon a time, and I found out I could get them really cheap. And you can't reuse Barracuda servers. Those are firewalls, right? And you can't reuse them. Once they go from one individual, they won't let them be re-enabled by another one, which is really funny. I knew a bunch of scummy techs that like to trade things, and they tried to trade that one. They got it past customs, no problem. Came into Canada, they couldn't use it. Oh man. Legit though, how the frick would they have kept the sheep from messing with the panels? I don't know any animals that don't mess with the hardware on the farm situation. Could you imagine what would have happened if they would have put goats up there? Goats would have devoured everything. Maybe not the panels themselves, but the steel from around them. I'm talking to a guy who might be picking up some panels that don't have the steel from the outside. I think a barn was taken down. I think Buddy just wanted all the metal off of it, and he just gave my buddy the solar panels. Anyways, that's it for me today, folks. Have a good one. Take care of each other. Hack the planet.